Welcome back, amazing learners! Are you ready to add some Arabic magic to your vocabulary today? Let's make it fun, easy, and unforgettable. I would like to remind you, dear learner, that there are videos on my channel for you to learn everyday vocabulary in our lives in an easy-to-pronounce way with repetition so you can master speaking Arabic. You won't find this anywhere else except on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and click the like button so I can upload more Arabic lessons. Today, I have something super useful for you, telling the time in Arabic. Think about it. Every day you ask or answer about the time. When you meet friends, go to work, or plan your travel. Imagine how confident you will feel when you can say the time in Arabic like a native speaker. Are you ready? Let's go. The word time in Arabic is
الوقت الوقت الوقت.
Please repeat with me slowly.
الوقت الوقت.
The hour. In Arabic, hour is
الساعة الساعة الساعة.
Say it with me.
الساعة الساعة.
When we pronounce the letter
سين
as
س
we have to press our tongue to say,
س.
and this mark is called a shadda. When there is a shadda above a letter, we have to press our tongue a little. We will soon see lessons on the vowels in the Arabic language in detail with a simple explanation on my channel. Stay tuned. For example, when we want to say it is 3 o'clock now in Arabic, we say
الساعة الآن الثالثة. الساعة الآن الثالثة. الساعة الآن الثالثة.
Try saying the sentence slowly with me. Feel the rhythm in your voice.
الساعة الآن الثالثة. الساعة الآن الثالثة.
Minute in Arabic is
الدقيقة الدقيقة الدقيقة.
Now repeat slowly with me.
الدقيقة الدقيقة الدقيقة.
When we want to say 5 minutes in Arabic, we say
5 دقائق. 5 دقائق. 5 دقائق.
Dear learner, we must pay attention that the singular form of the word
الدقيقة
and the plural form is
دقائق دقائق.
Remember this information well. We will have a detailed lesson on my channel that will explain in a very easy way some words how to change them from singular to plural. Just rest assured that I am here with you step by step until you master speaking and writing Arabic fluently. A second is a small part of time, right? In Arabic we say
الثانية الثانية الثانية.
Let's say it together slowly.
الثانية الثانية الثانية.
Let's try to say it again in a simple sentence.
10 ثوان 10 ثوان 10 ثوان.
Please, repeat after me.
10 ثوان 10 ثوان 10 ثوان.
Now we will learn how to say half an hour in Arabic. Come on, say it with me slowly.
نصف ساعة نصف ساعة نصف ساعة.
Now say it slowly with me.
نصف ساعة نصف ساعة نصف ساعة.
Bravo! You're doing an amazing job. This is a simple example using half an hour in Arabic. I can say to my learners,
يبدأ الدرس بعد نصف ساعة. يبدأ الدرس بعد نصف ساعة. يبدأ الدرس بعد نصف ساعة.
One more time.
يبدأ الدرس بعد نصف ساعة. يبدأ الدرس بعد نصف ساعة.
When we want to say quarter of an hour in Arabic, we say
ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة.
Let's say it together slowly.
ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة.
Here is an example we can use with friends, at work, or when you want to meet someone. In Arabic, when we want to say, we'll meet in a quarter of an hour, it's
نلتقي بعد ربع ساعة. نلتقي بعد ربع ساعة.
Please repeat this sentence with me. The more you repeat it with me, the better your Arabic pronunciation will become.
نلتقي بعد ربع ساعة. نلتقي بعد ربع ساعة.
That's good. Well done. Now I'm going to give you an exercise to remember what we learned in this video. Focus carefully before answering the question. Are you ready? How do you say quarter in Arabic? Take your time to think. Yes, this is the correct answer. You did it. Now try to pronounce it easily like me.
ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة. ربع ساعة.
How do you say minute in Arabic? Take your time to think. Very well. You are doing a great job, and remember that every attempt is a step towards success. The correct answer is
الدقيقة. الدقيقة. الدقيقة.
Remember how to say hour in Arabic. Take your time to remember. This is just an exercise. Relax. Well done this time. Be sure that with time you will find yourself remembering everything we learned. Trust yourself. Say with me.
الساعة. الساعة. الساعة.
Be proud of yourself. Every lesson takes you closer to speaking Arabic with confidence. Don't forget to write down these examples and rewatch this video to memorize these sentences. On my channel, you will find important lessons for beginners and for those who want to develop their Arabic speaking skills with ease. Don't forget, like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends who want to learn Arabic too. See you in the next lesson.
إلى اللقاء.